let's just hope it works. All right. Today's the day. I got our batteries this afternoon, right before lunchtime. So I am going to attempt to swap out these batteries that I showed in the last video. This one's right in here. See, in rough shape. I discovered just a few minutes ago that those two, that one and this one right here, are not even hooked up. As you can see, these are the ones that are hooked up, and the ones back there are hooked up. So I am going to make the attempt to first remove these batteries out, and hopefully I don't use too many swear words. So here we go. All right, well, batteries are out. This thing still seems mostly solid. I'm gonna go get a few things, bring the batteries out. All right, well, I went inside, I got all the batteries. I quickly cleaned that out. I'll probably end up pulling these batteries back out at some point to probably sand that down and put some Rust-Oleum on there or something. So it doesn't seem too bad though, seems in good condition. So yeah, I am gonna try to wrestle these batteries into place. And once I do that, I will try to get a better angle to show the process of hooking up these batteries. These batteries are pretty huge, much bigger than the 4 I pulled. That was just 2 equal those 4. So yeah, 2 100 amp hours Renogy batteries. Yeah, so I'm gonna get these in and we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. All right, both those batteries are in. So, here we go. Both batteries are in. Okay, so I think this is about the best angle I'm gonna get to show how to parallel these batteries together. I don't really foresee a better angle, but yeah. So we're gonna start hooking these up real quick. Just FYI, I did a lot of research before we came back home to figure out how to do this. So I'm not just winging it. I probably spent, I don't know, probably a good month to 2 months probably, I'd even say, researching on how to do this to make sure I knew what I was doing before we got back. So yeah, this is not something I just learned with ease. I'm not just winging this or have prior knowledge. This is a learn as I go thing. I have no clue if this is even going to work after I set it up. I'm just crossing my fingers, and I'm hoping it works, but it may not. So, I don't know, we'll see. So, read online that you're supposed to put the negative on the opposite battery of the positive hookup, so that way that they charge evenly. I have this hooked up. I have no idea. We have a generator. Sounds like it's about to start. Not yet. Sounds like it wants to go. It's getting close. Almost there. That's the good news, is that it's turning over. It's not starting. It's been a while since things started. Okay. Can't seem to get it started, but at least it's turning over. All right, well, I am going to go start the RV real quick, see if it needs to be turned on. So I don't know, like I said, this is all new to me. Anyways, let's keep our fingers crossed, and yeah, I'll report back here in a few minutes. Let's just hope it works. All right, guys, here we go. It's the moment of truth. I have Miranda in there, ready to push the button. Hoping this works. All right, I'm gonna give her the knock to start it. We have the generator working. Yes! All right, beautiful. All right, well, now we know that that works. Let's go see the lights. All right, everybody. Here's the mess that we left yesterday. Here's the moment of truth. The generator, we saw that the generator works. Now to turn the batteries on, we have light. It's very exciting to finally have lights. Like, they all work beautifully. Those will be taken out because we both absolutely hate fluorescent lights. But yeah, there is light. One works. They all work. There's tons of lights in here. The only thing I haven't figured out yet how it works is I can't figure out how to get the microwave to work. I've tried every button, every switch, discovered that. Let me turn that off. Tried every switch. AC works at the generator, doesn't seem to work off batteries, so I have to look into that. But yeah, but the great news is we have power in the RV. Generator works. We were concerned about that when we bought it. We weren't 100% sure if the generator even worked, because the guy that we bought it off of wasn't sure if it worked. The whole battery story that someone stole their old batteries, so they hadn't used it. But yeah, the 2 new batteries were installed. Seems to work beautifully. So it's really exciting. So now that we got power, next is to, obviously finish demoing and get ready and start designing, and then also figure out how this microwave and oven work, because I can't seem to get either of them to work. So that's another day to get things figured out. So I think that's a wrap for me for today. I've done the mechanic stuff and got everything running. I'm gonna go put the slide out back in from when I was crawling behind there. That's how I got to the batteries. And hope to have a next video up here in the next week or so. Anyways, see ya.